Greetings music makers, I'm Dr. Carey, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up the sound settings on your Acapella app so that you're ready to record whatever you want. Make sure you're using headphones with a microphone and a cord, because if you try to use Bluetooth you're going to end up with latency and the audio and video won't sync up. But before we go on, don't forget to subscribe if you want to receive more videos that teach you how to become a better music maker online. Ring that bell if you want notifications whenever I post a new video. And fist bump that like button for the algorithm so that YouTube will recommend my videos for other people who are looking to become better music makers. So without further ado, let's get ready to learn. First thing that you're going to do is open up the Acapella app. And at the bottom in the center you'll see the Acapella icon. Go ahead and click that. And you can click Record New. Classic is the free version. The ratio allows you to choose which type of shape that you want. So I'm going to use the 16:9 ratio. Since it's a two-part song, I'm going to click one that has two boxes. Because we're using the free version, we're going to click 30 seconds and then click Next. You get to choose which one you want to start off with. So we'll start on the left one and we're going to click on that one, and then you can see our face. On the bottom left you'll see a metronome. Go ahead and click that. I already have the tempo set for 90 beats per second, so we'll use that. You can also adjust your time signature so that a different tone hits every certain number of beats. So if you want a 1/4 time signature, a 2/4 time signature, you'll be able to choose that. I'm using 1/4. If you click on the blue circle on the bottom, you can adjust your audio settings. You've got the metronome that you can hear in one ear, both ears. You want to adjust your microphone input gain so that what you're singing is picked up by the device. I'll turn the monitor on. Hello. You can make the microphone input louder if you need to. You can also adjust the monitor volume. You can play around with those as you need for your project. My preferences are to have my monitor off and have my sound coming through only my right ear because my microphone is on my left ear. Now that I've got all the audio set, I can start recording. Well, I hope that video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell. See you next time.